In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 510 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 5. We know that 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Subtract, we get 0. Now this 0 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this number 1 here. We know that there is no meaning of zeros on the left. So remove this 0. And we know that 5 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get 1. But in this case, we will consider this 1 as less than 5. That is why we will need to bring down this number 0 here. And we know that 5 times 2 is 10. Subtract, we get 0. As we have got the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 510 divided by 5 is equal to 102. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.